name's Lorraine. I'm the Managing Director of the Heritage Detailing Centre. We're based just on the outskirts of Banbury in a pretty village called Hawley. Here we specialise from anything from a classic car to your modern supercars. So what do we do here at Heritage Detailing Centre? Well, we can do anything from a basic wash right through to your 5-day signature detailing. So how do you know what service it is that you really require for your car? Few questions. Do you have a car that you use every day that you just want to keep clean? Or do you have something a little bit more fancy that you want to enhance the value on and maintain and keep it looking amazing? So if you have anything from light scratches to marring on your vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on the number below or visit our website. You are of course welcome to come and visit us here at the centre at any time. Just give us a call beforehand so we know you're expected and we'll pop the kettle on for you. We really look forward to seeing you soon.